A mighty fortress is our God, oh, never fading. Our helper, He amid the flood. The mortal is prevailing. For still our ancient foe to seek to work us more. His craft and power are great, and armed with cruel hate. On earth is not His equal. Did we in our own strength confide?